So you've probably seen this account comment on a lot of videos that you watch and wondering what's up with that. Well, I'll try to quickly explain. Basically, this guy is the Walmart edition of Justin White. If you don't remember, like 1 or 2 years ago, Justin White, you could see a comment from this guy like on every video that you watch. So he's basically trying to become that guy. All he does is comment on a lot of popular and trending videos and leaves a comment. You might be thinking, well, this is harmless. Well, he doesn't just leave comments for the sake of it. He actually wants you to check his channel out. I think most people actually click on a verified account if there's a cool profile picture in the name. You actually go to see what's up with the channel, you know. I do that too when I see like a cool verified account. So this guy gains an incredible amount of free advertisement because people, when they see a verified account that leaves in the comments, everybody's like, oh my god, I have to like now. So most of the time whenever he comments, everyone likes his comments and pushing it all straight to the top of the comment section basically. And he has been exposed by some other people that he's in fact linked, or he is Vaxi himself. I talked about this guy on one of my videos called Why I Don't Like Fortnite Videos Anymore, and talked about this channel, how he cheated his way to the top by using comment bots and also all the scummy tricks in the book, like clickbait, fake giveaways, that kind of stuff. He even went the extra mile and did fake live streams, which were basically just looped videos set as live streams, so he basically gains views 24/7. You can see some footage of that in my video if you want to check it out. You can even see in his description of the channel, he says, taking over the internet one comment at a time. So prepare to see spam comments from this guy on every video that you watch in a couple of months. Now he might not be comment botting because since he leaves comments that reference what's going on in the video, it's something a bot cannot do. But knowing this dude being really suspicious, I wouldn't be shocked if he does some really shady trick to get so many comments. And if you're wondering how this guy is verified and you see him everywhere, he had multiple videos before, but he has privated them all and he cheated his way to the top to getting those subscribers, so it's knowledge it. But anyways, that's been it for today's video. If you did enjoy, make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you're not new around here, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day everyone. Bye bye.